Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Tech Facts and I'll be presenting some very interesting tech news. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as whenever I post a video, you get the notification without fail. So, let's start. A new Poco phone has arrived at the FCC for testing and this could possibly be the Poco X3. The Poco branding is clearly visible on the back. The schematic of the rear panel is surprisingly detailed and even includes the 64MP AI super camera on the label. The phone will have a 5160 mAh battery with the support of 33-watt charging. For comparison, the Poco X2 has a 4500 mAh battery with 27 watts of charge. The FCC documents reveal a bit more about the Poco X3. It will stick to the 4G connectivity. There's also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1. The J20CT version of this device will support the LTE band 41, which is used by Vodafone Idea and BSNL in India. The 64MP main camera and 33-watt charging specs was a rumor from last week which claimed that the new Poco will have a 120Hz OLED display and Snapdragon 765 chipset will be unveiled by the end of the month. So are you excited for the upcoming Poco X3? Tell me in the comment section below. The month-old OnePlus Nord is receiving its third software update. The Oxygen OS version is bumped up to 10.5.5 and delivers improved color accuracy and clarity to the macro camera, the low light performance of the front-facing shooter, and bump of the other fixes and improvements. Additionally, OnePlus Nord is not currently running in the background. The general power consumption has been lowered and the charging experience is made better, but there is no specific mention, so we don't know what exactly that means. So have you received the 10.5.5 update? Tell me in the comment section below. Samsung is going to introduce the Galaxy M51 sooner rather than the later, as there is an increasing number of leaks. While early renders suggest a triple camera setup, a fingerprint scanner on the back and a punch hole in the left corner, now we have official press images showing them to be fake. The Galaxy M51 will have a 4-shooter in an aisle formation, while the fingerprint scanner will be double as a power key on the side right of the phone. The selfie camera will be a punch hole, but the cutout is in the center rather than any other corners, and here's how the phone looks like. Putting the fingerprint scanner on the side means the display is likely gonna be an LCD rendering and under screen resolution impossible. Specs are scarce, but we expect a massive 7000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, a Snapdragon 730 chipset and 8GB RAM. The very same spec leak also claimed the Galaxy M51 will also have 64MP main camera, but looking at how different the early renders were from the original, we are starting to question the authenticity of those rumors as well. Another sources claim that the launch is scheduled to the second half of September, which will give us a price range of around 25,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees. So let's see at what price the Samsung Galaxy M51 gets launched in India. Here's some news that Apple is also manufacturing the iPhone SE 2020 in India, making it the 6th locally produced phone in Apple's lineup. The news was confirmed by Apple in a statement to local tech outlet. The second generation SE is now down to 35,999 as part of the Apple Day sales event. Through the price is expected to drop even lower given that it's now made locally. Assembled in India, second generation SEs are expected to hit store shelves in the coming weeks. One of the key incentives for smartphones manufacturers to assemble the device in India is to save up high import duties, which include 20% import tax. Apple is reportedly interested in moving up to 20% of its iPhone production from China to India in the near future. Earlier today, we saw the debut of the latest budget offering in Motorola G lineup with the Moto G9 in India. Hot on its heel comes in the international variant, which will be known as the Moto G9 Play and brings identical specs to the G9 through the exclusive spring pink finish. The G9 Play is slated to arrive in select European market for €169 starting today. It's coming to other regions soon as they weren't listed just yet. You'll also find the phone in the sapphire blue and forest green paint jobs. Like the Indian Moto G9, the G9 Play brings a 6.5-inch IPS LCD, the Snapdragon 662 chipset with 4GB RAM and generous 5000 mAh battery with 20-watt charging. Around the back we have 48MP primary shooter alongside a 2MP macro shooter and 2MP depth helper. The phone boots Android 10 and Motorola's MyUX on top. So do you want me to make an unboxing video of this Indian Moto G9? Tell me in the comment section below. Nokia 5.3 and Nokia C3 make their way to India along with the Nokia 125 and Nokia 150 feature phones. The Nokia 5.3 is built around a 6.55-inch HD plus IPS LCD with a water drop notch for its 8MP selfie cam. Around the back we have a 13MP primary shooter alongside a 5MP ultra-wide snapper and two modules, one for macro while the other for the depth sensing. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 665 platform with 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB storage which is expandable via micro SD. The battery comes in at 4000 mAh and charges over USB-C at 10 watts. The software font is covered by Android 10 and the Android One overlay. The Nokia 5.3 starts at 13,999 rupees for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage model with the 6GB RAM and 64GB Dream will go for 15,499 rupees. It will be available online exclusive through Amazon and Nokia Online from September 1. The Nokia C3 comes with a 5.99-inch HD plus LCD and sizable bezels all around. It runs on the Unisoc SC986 SoC paired with 2 or 3GB RAM and 16 or 32 expandable storage. There is a single 8MP camera on the back while the front packs a 5MP selfie camera. We have also 3040 mAh battery which charges over micro USB. Other notable features include FM radio, a headphone jack and a programmable express key for launching apps or the Google Assistant. The software front is covered by Android 10. The Nokia C3 starts at 7,499 rupees for its 2GB RAM plus 16GB storage variant, and there is also an option for 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant for 8,999 rupees. It will be available both online through local retailers and online through Nokia's online store. In addition, HMD brought over two feature phones with the Nokia 125 and Nokia 150. They feature 2.4-inch QVGA screens, simple clean polycarbonate designs and promise long-lasting battery life. The two have identical footprints and run on the Series 30 Plus platform. They come with the dual SIM support, 3.5mm headphone jacks, Bluetooth and FM radio receivers. Nokia 125 will retail at 1,999 rupees while the Nokia 150 will sell at 2,299 rupees. They will be available both offline and online starting today. So Nokia has released a lot of phones, so which one are you going to buy? Tell me in the comment section below. Hello everyone, if you have not yet subscribed to Facts and Trends, please don't miss this golden opportunity. Press the bell icon along with the subscription button and please allow me to serve you with the latest tech related videos every day. Xiaomi made the K3 Pro official in China today, but there is some weird facts that the phone runs on Android 9 Pie and the location of its fingerprint sensor. The phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio P60 chipset paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. The screen is 6.53-inch HD plus 720x160 IPS panel with 13MP selfie snapper housed inside a teardrop notch. On the rear you get a 16MP main camera alongside with two other unknown shooters, although we are assuming one is depth sensor. The Xiaomi K3 Pro has a 400 mAh battery with 10 watt charging. Its dimensions are nearly very similar to the other phones and its weight just 205 grams. Pricing starts at $101 for the version of 6GB of RAM and goes up to $130 if you want an 8GB RAM. The colors offered will be jade green and pearl white. So let's see if this Xiaomi K3 Pro gets launched in India or not. A render of Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus was leaked last week, which revealed the smartphone will pack a notchless display, pop-up camera and triple camera setup on the back. But today we are looking at another Huawei phone with similar design language, the Huawei Y9A. You can see the Huawei Y9A packs a notchless display and features a circular camera bump on the back, but unlikely the Enjoy 20 Plus, this one is home to 4 cameras, which is why the flash is spread outside the module in the top left corner. The primary camera of the Y9A has a 64MP sensor which is joined by one 8MP and two 2MP modules. The Huawei Y9A will have 8GB RAM and 128GB storage on board, but there could be other memory options as well. The smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, supports 40W supercharged fast charging and will be available in two colors. And just like other recent Huawei phones, the Y9A won't support any Google services, but you will have to rely on the company's app gallery to download apps on the smartphone. The rest of the specs of the Y9A are currently a mystery and there's no word about the Huawei about the smartphone yet. So let's see what happens to the future of Huawei Y9A in the coming days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.